So far, I've learned that one of my favourite songs comes from an hour of work.
The time doesn't necessarily guarantee.
Yeah, that's
anything.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just been really good getting with people that I don't know and then instantly forming a connection, really, and
Yeah.
it comes out in the music.
Oh, brilliant! All right, well, you're singing for us tonight
Yes,
and
I
playing
am.
for us. Are you a little bit nervy?
Little bit. It's strange
That's
not
good for
seeing
you.
your audience.
Yes,
We
it
are your
is.
audience.
We
are.
Yeah.
Just play to us.
Okay.
Well, I can tell you what my first news boss told me when I went to do my first read of a news bulletin. He came in very quietly and he said, "Akel, right about now, about an MCG's worth of people listening to you. Good luck." So, let me pass that on to you now.
Yeah.
While you envisage being in the middle of the MCG singing a song. All right, so what are you going to sing for us?
I am singing "If I Could Fly."
Mm-hmm. What's it about?
It's about the song is really about wanting freedom,
Yeah.
but and it's sort of just out of reach.
All right.
So yeah.
Cool. And did you write this as part of I Heart Songwriting, as part of the
Yes,
program you were doing?
Yes, on the workshop day, I actually wrote that.
All right. Well, Jarrad, take it away. I'm keen to hear what you got for us.
Thank you. I wish I could fly in the mob with the murder. Wish I could soar even higher, even further. Wish I could see past the horizon, over the water. It ain't for me, and I guess I may never be free. If I could stretch out my wings, then I would travel, I would leave. When I felt like a dabbling in new things, so I could see more than gravel roads and trees. But I guess I'll keep dreaming of being free. But if I could fly into the sun or soar across the sea, that'd be enough freedom for me. If I could fly into the sun or soar across the sea, that'd be enough freedom for me. If I could be something bigger than I am, wish I could compete with those that are different minded. Wish I could dream of things other than I did, then it'd make sense to me why I'm still dreaming of being free. If I could fly away from disasters into the sky, I'd soar a little faster over my home, where I thought I'd live happily ever after. I know that I just may never be free. But if I could fly into the sun or soar across the sea, that'd be enough freedom for me. If I could fly into the sun or soar across the sea, that'd be enough freedom for me. Enough freedom for me, for me.
Oh, wow. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That was fantastic.
What a beautiful voice.
Oh,
too.
yeah, that was very good. I was getting a hint of Johnny Cash in there.
If I could stretch out my wings, then I would travel, I would leave.